students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn Chapter 8, Paying the Price, Part 6. We have seen in Part 5 that Malarkey and Alarkey and Hussaini have gone to take the wages. And the inspector is giving the money to others. There are vendors, pathans to take the loan back, vendors to sell their some small items for them to eat snacks, and her name was passed over. She used to get after Champa, but she did not get. Other next person was called and she was there. She was humiliated very badly. She felt very much humiliation. All the women were commenting something, laughing at her, and people were all standing and watching. She did not know what to do. She was thinking if the earth breaks or cracks, she could go under it. That much humiliation and painful situation was there for her. Now let us see what is happening. What happened to her? How she did? How did she manage? One after another, the names were called. Alarkey fixed her gaze on the trees across the way. She no longer cared whose name was being called, who was collecting pay, and who was staring or laughing at her. Now she was so angry, so much determined, and she looked at one tree and she did not bother where money is taken, who is taking, who is called, what is happening. But she staring at one tree. She did not pay attention for anything what was happening near to her, who is laughing at her or what they are commenting. She did not bother. Just she looked at the tree. Suddenly she heard her name and was startled. She is saying that suddenly her name was called and she was so surprised, so much frightened, fearful and surprise was there because at last her name was called. Slowly she walked ahead with slow steps. The paymaster handed her full amount of 6 rupees. When she was called, she walked very slowly with the fear. But her man who was paying money gave the full amount first time. 6 rupees she was getting a month and fully she got it. She was stupefied. The paymaster must have made a mistake. She was so surprised and she thought that paymaster has made mistake. She hadn't gotten her full pay even once in last 3 months. 3 months she did not get her full pay, and this is first time she was going to get. And now she had been grateful if she was given even half her pay. She was thinking that even half salary she will get, she will be very grateful to them. She stood there for a second to see if the paymaster would ask for the money back. When he asked her why she was still standing there and not moving away, she said softly, "But it's the full amount." She thought that the paying master may ask her give back the salary, what has to be cut. But that man did not ask money. He asked, "Why are you standing here? Why can't you go home?" Then she told very sincerely to the master, "Sir, I have got full amount of money. You did not cut." The paymaster looked at her puzzled. He thought other children, other ladies, whoever gets salary, they will take and run away. But she is so sincere lady that is taking money and standing. "Master, cut my money. The mistake which I had done, you cut it." Like that, and he was puzzled. So surprised to see such sincere lady. "What else do you want? To be paid less?" So he asked, "What you want? You want to be paid less? You got full salary. Was there no fine this time?" So lady, she asked, "You don't have any fine to cut?" Alarkey moved away. No, there was no fine this time. So he said, no, this time nothing is returned, nothing to cut. But in her heart, she was not content. Not content means happy and satisfied. She was not satisfied. She knew that she took the baby and came, and she abused him. She gave him name, and for that all he has to cut the salary. So she was not so happy and she was not so content. She was regretting that she had called his name. So she was feeling guilty. She was regretting that why did she call that man as a rude inspector. So that her feeling was very bad. So dear children, we should not use the things which we regret later on. We should not speak which will make us sad. She was very sincere lady, very hard-working lady. From the beginning till the end, she has been very sincere. Even she got full salary, she could take and run away to her home because she was in need of money. But still she stayed. She clarified that is her full money is for her. Money not to be cut. Otherwise later on they ask, it will be not there. So thank you children.